Hey everyone, this is Teresa from Base 10 Montessori, and I just wanted to make a quick video showing you that I did order a set of those handbells that I was showing you before, and they came in this package. I ordered 2 sets so that I could do the bell lessons, and so this is how they came. They come with these little protectors on them, like a little plastic clasp you have to take off, so that's a little difficult. But here is an example of a bell I just opened, and these are stickers. I think those would be removable for doing bell lessons, so I think those would come off pretty easily if you wanted them off, or you could cover them up pretty easily. But they have a weird bell ringer on the inside. They're pretty heavy. They feel pretty solid. They're a little hard to ring. So let me just give you a quick example. So it takes a lot to get it to ring, so it's a little stiff moving around inside there. So it doesn't ding very easily. So you know what, in that case, maybe a mallet actually might work, but then you'd have one hand for holding and one hand for the mallet. So I'm gonna play with these. I'm gonna work with these. I have not seen yet if these can go up and down the scale accurately and if they can match accurately. So I've got some playing around to do with the bells, but I did order some bells so that I can give those lessons on my locals page. So we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed. I will update you when I get a chance, and I'll let you know if I've made those videos and posted them on locals. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.